I hate this fucking place. It never does anything for me. All I gotta do is do shit for it. Grace should be here. What the hell? Yeah, snow. I remember the snow. Came in the mail last week. Parents came home from church. All children were gone.
They searched and called for them.
They begged and they begged,
but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
That could be the same as Sean. The Origami Killer could have sent this to me. Damn it. Man, this envelope feels a lot heavier. The hell? A locker card. 1803?
I have to get out of here and find out what this ticket is about.
Should I take the front door or the back door? The car across from here. It would be perfect for me to sneak out from this damn paparazzi. Hope I won't need to use that skill later.
This doesn't make any sense. It couldn't have been me. I couldn't ever have done that. I'm the Origami Killer. I black out, and then the murdering starts. I know it's
me.
The Origami Killer I had after my blackout. It's the same one the killer leaves in the hair of his victims.
Oh shit, I've never done origami in my life. Why the fuck was it in my hand?
What did I do with
Sean?
What
the hell did I do with Sean? I need to know.
But I just can't remember.
Probably information's in that goddamn locker. I'm so confused right now. If Grace was there, nothing would have goddamn happened. But Grace is too much of a... Never mind. $1803 locker ticket. Oh. No, not another goddamn crowd. I think it swallowed something. Yeah, that was my own saliva. Oh.
Gonna have to make it through the crowd. I can't take crowds. Just can't handle it
anymore.
No time to waste.
No time to wait. We need to find out what that locker's about. I can't make it. There are too many people. Just gets to me. I can't go on. What happened? Where am I? Whoa! What? Oh, shit. Jason? Jason! The red balloon! Damn it! Jason! Move! Jason, come back here. Jason.
It's Jason. He's there. He's right there. This time
I'm gonna save him.
Jason,
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 get back here.
The balloon. Gotta get the balloon.
Get the balloon.
Gotta
Be
Is he
kidding.
driving me
Crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going nuts. Jason!
Gotta get the balloon.
Damn it. Jason! Move. Jason! No. Where the hell is he? Huh? Oh, thank God. It was all just a goddamn dream. Luggage lockers? Perfect.
The lockers. Now I've got to find the right one. A nightmare. The whole thing was just a fucking nightmare.
Jason's dead.
Made it.
I made it through the crowd.
I managed to get
I
through
made it through the
goddamn
crowd. Yes!
The lockers. Now I've got to find the right one.
Locker
Line
18,
box number 3.
3.
The locker number. It's on the ticket.
Take it.
The lockers. Now I've got to find the right one.
16. Division 18. I need to find the right box. Number 3. Just the 060. And the door's open. As soon as I got the right ticket. Yes! What the hell? Shoebox? That's all I fucking came here for? A goddamn shoebox? Something heavy's in the shoebox, and it's not a goddamn shoe. Might as well get home and find out what. Gotta check it. Gotta check the goddamn shoebox now. I can't check it. Could have the fate of Sean in that. Which means I should check it, but I'm too much of an asshole. Shoebox. What is this? God, was he trying to make me wear some goddamn shoes? Jesus Christ! But there's nothing, but I don't know if there's a shoe or some fucking clues in there. God damn it, what's going on now? I'm a loser. A has-been. Can't even protect a child. What kind of a father am I? Look at yourself, Ethan. You're pathetic. Patheticness. Nothing.